Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Sam's Club. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser. And after that, in the top section over here, type down samsclub.com and enter it. And we could see we just landed to the Sam's Club official homepage. And in the top right corner over here, we could see the sign in option. Click on that and you'll get an option like this. Click over here again, and if you could see, you will get into an interface like this where you are required with your email address and your password as well. So fill up your email and your password, and if you have forgotten your password, you can go over here that says forgot password in order to reset or recover, and you can click on the sign in option and you'll be successfully logged into your samsclub.com. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.